be showing a video about hairstyles that we can make at home. So first we need a comb, a hairband and a rubber band. So the first thing is we're going to comb our hair very nicely like that. And then we're going to do the front parts. After we're done, so this is a kind of new hairstyle, and we can also put our hair at the front so I look very cute. So that's our first hairstyle. I'm going to be showing you the second hairstyle using my rubber band. I'm going to make a high pony. I'm not good at it, but I'll try my best. So try, so good so far. Okay, and then we're done with our high pony. Now we add the hairband like this. Don't we look cute again? We do. And then the second hairstyle. I mean the third one. Now let's open our hair again and nice and brush. Comb my hair at the front. And now we can do another hairstyle with a hairband. We can do it like that. So, do I look cute? Yes, I do. I love this hairstyle. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed. And please give this 1,000,000 likes. Thank you. Bye-bye.